In this video, I will show you guys step by step how I made $6,966 on YouTube without showing my face and without using my voice. And I made this money just in 1 month, in the month of June. I made $6,966 without showing my face and without using my voice. And this is how much I make per day, $187. Some days up to $280, as you can see, $224, and some days it's up to $400. Okay, so I will share with you guys how we can start step by step for beginners, how we can create your script, how we can turn this script into a voiceover, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end, and if you skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making money like this. Okay, and for people who are asking re-upload your page, I will click here to show you guys. Let's see if those numbers are real numbers or this is just screenshot. Let's see, because a lot of people always comment refresh your page, re-upload your page. In affiliate marketing, I did that a lot of time. In all the businesses that I'm sharing, I already did that, and I will not keep just doing that. I'm not waiting for you guys to believe it or not. And as you can see, the numbers are still the same numbers. So anyway, so for people who want to start making money with YouTube without showing your face and without using your voice, so I found for you guys an easy niche that you can start with. You don't need any skills in editing or any experience. And this is an example of this faceless YouTube channel. This is a faceless YouTube channel, big muscles. You will start, guys, making money about health. Okay, this is a health niche, and this channel, guys, is monetized. And you guys can see that those videos doesn't need or require you to show your face or use your voice. It's super easy to make those videos. Look at this video. This one got 6 million views. This one, 6 million views. This one, it's almost 5 million views, 2 million views. Do you know this channel is making really a lot of money? So let me show you how much this channel is making. If we go to this website, and this is the channel, Big Muscles, okay? If we scroll down, you guys can see how many views this channel got in the last 28 days. This is the number of subscribers, and this is estimated revenue. It's almost between $2,000 and $5,000 per month. That's really a lot of money. If we scroll down, this channel in this month, in the last 28 days, uploaded just 1, 2, 3, 4, just 4 videos, and they made up to $5,000. If they upload more, they will make more money. Okay. And it's easy, guys, to start like this channel. I will show you how we can do it, okay? Like this one. Super easy. So let's choose one of those videos, for example. Okay, for example, this one. What happens to your body when you run 30 minutes every day? I will copy this title. This video got 6 million views. This video has made a lot of money. And this channel is monetized, okay? So what you will do, guys, just copy the title, go to ChatGPT, okay? Go to Google if you don't have an account with ChatGPT AI. Let me show you. Go to Google and search for ChatGPT like this. Super easy and simple. This AI will create your YouTube script. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address, and that's it. After you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with ChatGPT. So just click here and write this script. So ask ChatGPT, create an engaging and professional YouTube script, okay, about, and they will put this. You will get different scripts, so don't worry, there is no copyright issue. Create an engaging and professional YouTube script about what happens to your body when you run 30 minutes every day. Click here and you will get your script, and that's it. So you see, here you go. This is your script, okay? So It's easy, guys. So what you will do, let's check the script. Hey everyone, welcome back to, you can put your channel name here. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out. That's good. If we scroll down, horse running in the park, this is your script starting from here. Whether you are a seasoned runner, someone who's just thinking about placing there, that's really good. If we scroll down, first up, let's talk about your health. Running for just 3 minutes a day can. That's really good. What you will do, guys, is you just need to copy the script. So we need now to turn this script into voiceover. I will copy this part to show you how I can do it. Copy the script and go back to Google and search for PlayHT. Search for this website. So this website will help you to turn the script into voiceover. I will click on this link, PlayHT, and you will be directly in this page. Okay, that's it. Super easy and it's for free. All you have to do is you just need to use your email address. Okay, click here on change voice and choose which voiceover you want to use. You have different voiceovers and they are really in high quality. Let's check.
Hey, I'm Will from Amazon. I'm calling in regards to the laptop stand you ordered last week. We've just, rolled out a promotion and it turns out that the product you bought is now at a discounted price.
You see, guys, that's a really amazing voiceovers.
Alright, so teaching subtraction to a kid,
You have American voiceovers, you have British voiceovers, you have Canadian voiceover, Australian voiceover, maybe Indian voiceover here. A lot, you have a lot, okay? All you have to do is you need to choose one. I'm gonna choose this one.
Alright, so teaching subtraction to...
I'm gonna choose this one, Suzanne Female. I will just click on the voiceover that you want to use. Scroll down, keep scrolling, click on confirm. And here you go. Put your YouTube script here. Let me show you. Put your YouTube script here. Paste. This is my YouTube script. Click over here on generate speech. Okay? Click on generate speech. You just need to wait few seconds and your script will be recorded. Okay? What you will do next, you will download this voiceover to your laptop and I will show you how you can do it. Okay? It's super easy. So let me see. And here you go, guys. Your script is ready. Your voiceover is ready. Click on export. Click over here on as a single file, audio file. Okay. And here you go. Your voiceover will be downloaded to your laptop. Okay. What you will do next, you will go back to Google. Go back to Google and search for. We will use just Canva. It's easy. Search for Canva like this. Okay, search for Canva. And click on the first link. Sign up by using your email address. It's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click on upload file. Upload your voiceover. Okay, let me upload my voiceover. Okay, let me choose. Okay, let me see. So this is my voiceover.
First up, let's talk about your heart.
You see, this is my voiceover. Click on open. And here you go. Your voiceover will be over here. Click on your voiceover. And your voiceover will be under your page. Click over here on add page. Click on add page, and add more pages that will be matched with your voiceover. Okay? After you finish, go to the first page, click over here on elements, and click over here on the search for running. Search for run or running, it's the same. I'm gonna search for running. Like this. Search for running. Click on videos. Okay, click on videos here. And here you go. You will find a lot of videos that you can start using. I'm going to use the first one. So just click on the video that you want to use. and your video will be over here. Click on this 3 points, click on set video as background, click here and make your video a short video, just up to 2 seconds or 3 seconds. It's good, because we will add a different video to make this one more engaging and professional. I will add this one, add the second one, click on this 3 points, click on set video as background, and do the same. Okay, make it just up to 3 seconds. Let's scroll down, let's add this one here, 3 points again, set video as background, and make it short like this. Okay, super easy. Click on the second, click on the next page, scroll down, you will find a lot of videos here. Okay, I will add this one here. It's super easy, guys, to make like those videos and start making money on YouTube. Okay, you just need to stay consistent. It's all about consistency in every business. Every business that you will start need consistency if you want to start seeing a result. Okay, you can start any business online you want. If you didn't stay consistent, you will not start seeing results and you will not get any result. That's how it works. I will add this one, and I will show you guys how we can add the background music to make this one more engaging and professional. Like this, click on add page, and let's add the last one. I will add this one here, and here you go. You just made your video. Okay, it's super easy. I will make it matched with my voiceover like this. Okay, after you finish, click, guys, you can click here on upload, and you can click on upload file and upload the background music that you want to add to your videos. Okay, I already have some background music here. Let's check. Let me see this one. Okay, I will add this one. So I will click on the first page, and I will click on my background music that I want to add, and your background music will be under your video. Okay, click over here on this icon over here and make your background music just up to 15, 16 like this. Okay, make it like this, and here you go. Let's check this video and let me know, guys, your opinion. Let's check.
First up, let's talk about your heart. Running for just 30 minutes a day can significantly improve your cardiovascular health. It strengthens your heart muscle, lowers your resting heart rate, and increases the efficiency of your cardiovascular system. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood, reducing your risk of heart disease and stroke.
Do you see, guys? It's an amazing video. Okay, and it's super easy. It will take just, if you work just 1 hour per day, after just 3 months, 6 months, you will start seeing some amazing results. Okay, let's check again.
First up, let's talk about your heart. Running for just 30 minutes a day can significantly improve your cardiovascular health. It strengthens your heart muscle, lowers your resting heart rate, and increases the efficiency of your cardiovascular system. This means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood, reducing your risk of heart disease and stroke.
And here you go. Is this so much a good video? That's really amazing. It's good. And it's easy to make. Okay, look how many views this video got. Okay, what happens to your body when you run 30 minutes every day? 6 million views. It's almost the same video that we made, guys. Okay, it's easy. This is easy, guys. I show you how we can make it, how we can add, how we can turn your script, how you can create your script, how we can turn this script into a voiceover, how we can add background music, and so much more. After you finish, you can click on share, and you can click here on download. This video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go start your faceless YouTube channel, start uploading videos.